So exercises are a great way to manage but also prevent a lot of the symptoms from going down into your arm. So we're going to go over 4 main exercises to help you with the symptoms down your arm. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. AJ Passis from the Active Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. And for all of our patients, and especially for you watching this video, we want everyone to be living a healthy life. But remember, a healthy spine leads to a healthy life. So we're going to go over some exercises with you today to help improve your posture so you can get the most out of your life.
For the first exercise, we're going to do the chin tuck, okay? So it's simply just using your finger here, push in a little bit, and tuck your chin in. And you want to do this anywhere from 10 to 20 repetitions. Conversely, you can also hold it for a minimum of 30 seconds, okay? Make sure there's not a lot of pain involved, okay? And this should be a very comfortable exercise. Conversely, you can also do this lying down. Okay, so we're actually still tucking your chin in. Okay, and you'll know if you're doing it the right way because you'll feel that second chin coming on. Also, you should feel some stretch right at the base of the neck as well. So for this second exercise, you're going to do some tractioning of your neck while it's in extension. Okay, so you can use either a exercise band like this or a towel. Okay, so I'm going to use the resistance band here. So for this one, say if your arm pain is going down to the left, you don't have to necessarily use the left arm, okay? You can actually just use the one that is actually comfortable. What you want to do is you want to pull, look up. As you're doing so, you're going to traction it up, okay? Now, if the arm pain is not too severe, then you can certainly pull this way. As you're looking up, you're going to traction your arm up. For the next exercise, we're going to do what's called a nerve floss. Essentially, when the nerve is being trapped, right, at the exiting point, what we want to do is actually, with this exercise, actually take some of the pressure off, right, by gliding the nerves back and forth. Okay, so for this particular exercise, what you want to do is you're going to put your hand in this position here, tilt your head to the side, and going up and down. This way, ever so gently, right? You never want to go to the point where you create too much discomfort, right? And you can do this anywhere from 10 to 20 repetitions. Make sure that this is not aggravating, that it's actually taking the nerve pain away from your arm, okay? So you'll know that things are actually improving because the nerve pain will actually start to be less and less down into the hands. Okay, so it's something called centralization as the pain slowly creeps up, more centralized into the neck area. In order to take the stress off the neck, it's important to also have a good, healthy upper back posture. Now, if you look at my upper back, if I were to round it forward, what happens to my neck? It's actually protruding forward, which increases the neck stress, and it also causes spinal disc herniation, spinal disc degeneration as well. So it's important to actually have an exercise that actually opens things up. The pectoral stretch is for that. Okay, so from this position here, you're gonna put your arm down to the side. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you squeeze those back muscles as you're stretching the pec muscles, right? So imagine that shoulder blades actually just kind of coming down as you're squeezing it, right? And you can also alternatively use the resistance band just like this and just bring it out to the side like this. All right. Another way of doing so is to actually put your arms in a doorway such as this, okay? And just open things up. Remember to breathe when you're doing these stretch, okay? So breathe in and breathe out slowly. As you're breathing, the rib cage is going to expand. It's going to help that shoulder and your pec muscles expand further. And remember, these exercises do not replace the care of your chiropractor. So please ask your chiropractor as to whether these exercises are actually appropriate or not. Okay, and if you like these type of videos, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And check out our previous video also on postural exercises. And remember, a healthy spine leads to a healthy life.